And finally, here's a little bit of help for questions 16, 17, and 18. This is review. You need to look at these triangles and figure out what they are. In number 16, I see that two sides are marked as congruent, so I know that's isosceles. In 17, I know that these two sides are marked as congruent, so that's an isosceles as well. And then with number 18, two angles are marked as congruent, so I know that's isosceles too. Now, if you remember from a previous lesson, if I know that two sides are congruent, I also know that the angles directly across from them are also congruent. So for number 16, if I know that this side is 67 and this side has to be congruent to it, then I also know that x has to be 67 as well. Looking at number 17 then, again, isosceles triangle because two sides are marked as congruent, so I know that these angles are congruent. So if I know that this one is 5x, I can also say that this one is 5x. And then in this case, so this one down here is 2x plus 5x plus 5x. And if you remember, all three angles of a triangle need to add up to 180. So I'm left with 2x plus 5x plus 5x equals 12x equals 180. And then to get x by itself, we're going to divide. Let me grab my calculator to double check my math on this one. So I'm left with 180 divided by 12. So in this case, x equals 15. Looking at number 18, this is the opposite of 16 and 17. In 16 and 17, the sides were marked as congruent. In this case, my angles are marked as congruent. And because these angles are marked as congruent, I know that my sides are congruent as well. So in this case, then 8 has to equal 3x minus 4. And you'll solve it like a basic multi-step equation to get x by itself. Hope that helps.